Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually asking me whether iPadOS 26.3 is good enough or not. Is there any battery drainage issue after this update? So in this video, I will share my honest opinions after using iPad for 2 days. After updating to the latest version, I can say that I find no issue as of now. As you can see here, I have charged my device on Thursday up to 100%, and after that I haven't charged it for once. Actually on Thursday I got around 2 hours and 7 minutes, and on Friday I got 2 hours and 54 minutes. As you can see here, let me show you. So I got on Thursday 2 hours, and then Friday 2 hours 54 minutes, and then on Saturday I got around 2 hours and 52 minutes, and on Sunday, that is tonight, I got around 1 hours and 23 minutes. So it may be concluded that the battery life has really improved. Also, I have checked the multitasking, and in multitasking also there is no problem, there is no hiccups, there is no lag or anything. So even in the multitasking department there is no problem. Then I checked the screen quality, and you can see that there is no screen flickering after this update. You can enjoy your multimedia consumption, so there is no problem in screen flickering also. And one thing I can say that after this update there is no problem in video editing also. You can edit your videos with ease. As you can see here, the timeline is very fluid and you can scroll through the timeline. There is no hiccups. This footage is 4K 60 fps, yet after that you can see that there is no problem. So finally, in the conclusion, if you ask me whether you should update to the latest version or not, if you are using any iPad under warranty, in that case there is no problem in updating to the latest version. But if your iPad is out of warranty and you are getting excellent battery life in the existing update, in that case you should not update to the latest version. After this update there is not so much visual changes. The changes are internal, so you have to think about it. So let me know in the comment sections below if you have already updated to the latest version or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.